It is Sena versus Sena and Pawar versus Pawar, leveling verbal and even possibly criminal allegations against one another. First up, Baramati's most prominent political family, the Pawars. Addressing the alleged Supriya Sule audio tape controversy, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar said, Maharashtra government will order a probe and the truth will come out. And he also added that he knows everyone involved well enough to identify his sister's voice. Ravindranath Patil, a retired IPS officer, has accused Ms. Sule and Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole of being involved in a fraud involving cryptocurrency from 2018. According to his allegations, these funds were used in the Maharashtra election campaign. The Bharatiya Janata Party picked up on these allegations, and Rajya Sabha MP Sudhanshu Trivedi accused Ms. Sule and Mr. Patole of using illegal Bitcoin transactions to influence election results. And now the Pawar cousins are also fighting it out in the shadows indirectly. Supriya Sule has said she is ready to fight any BJP representative in a public debate and has denied all allegations. She also added her legal team will be sending defamation notice to Mr. Trivedi for these baseless allegations. Quote, Yet it is not surprising as it's clear case of spreading false information the night before elections. My lawyer will be issuing a criminal and civil defamation notice against Sudhanshu Trivedi for making outrightly false claims with an intent to deceive the public at large. Unquote. Ms. Sule said this morning. Ms. Sule is an MP from NCP Sharad Chand Pawar, who defeated Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra Pawar's electoral debut for the Baramati seat. When asked about Ajit Pawar's charge that the voice on the viral audio clip is actually hers, Ms. Sule replied with a smile, quote, He is Ajit Pawar, he can say anything, Rama, Krishna, Hari, unquote. The five-time MP has also filed a complaint with the Election Commission and the Cyber Cell in Pune. These verbal spats are playing out against the rivalry between the two camps of NCP, one led by veteran politician and party founder Sharad Pawar and Ms. Sule, and the other by Ajit Pawar. It was Ajit Pawar-led mutiny that split NCP in 2023, after which Junior Pawar joined BJP Shiv Sena in the alliance called Mahayuti, which had formed the government in the state. This election is also a fight between the two factions of NCP to find out who has the public support. Meanwhile, Bahujan Vikas Aghadi has alleged that BJP candidate from Nalasopara, Rajan Naik, was distributing cash, allegedly to influence voters in the presence of Vinod Tavade, who is General Secretary of BJP and also a former minister. Kshitish Thakur, sitting Bahujan Vikas Aghadi MLA, reached a hotel with his supporters, after which there was high-voltage drama at the hotel. The Bahujan Vikas Aghadi supporters did a gherao of Mr. Tavade and raised slogans against them. They claimed that they found envelopes of cash and diaries at the meeting venue. Viral videos show Bahujan Vikas Aghadi supporters waving currency notes in front of Mr. Tavade. While a case has been registered in this connection, speaking with NDTV today, Mr. Tavade said the money was for food and groceries for the party and nothing ill-intended.